Come join me on my weekly grocery shop. Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. So I'm parked up outside Farm Foods. It's raining loads. I don't want to get out of the car. And then I remember I'm wearing a raincoat. So I zip myself up and get ready to tackle the weather. Then I look down at my feet and realise my footwear is a little bit summery and I'm wearing linen pants. But it's fine. We work with what we've got. Grab my trolley and off I go into Farm Foods, and I get really excited every time I go into Farm Foods because they have some real bargains and I have a proper look around. I bought these chicken tenders last week, $1.99, not bad, but it comes with a wasabi seasoning. I put a load of that on and it was really strong and the whole family was complaining, but the chicken was nice, so I bought it anyway. And we leave the seasoning out. I saw this Poppets pancake kit, 39 pence. What an absolute and utter bargain. So I picked up a few boxes of those. John West tuna on the go pot, 99 pence. Got a few of those. Looks really interesting. Never tried it before though. Then picked up some snacks and biscuits. I really love these Maryland mint cookies. I bought them last week as well and they're really delicious. And these chicken tikka breast chunks look nice, don't they? 2 bags for £10, that's not bad. I didn't buy any because I like to make my own chicken tikka, but it's a good deal. These OXO pots, I thought why not pick it up, it's only 19 pence. Chicken and bacon flavour stuffing, 9 pence. If I could eat bacon I would have picked it up. I'm joking guys, relax, alright? 3 for £1 on these tins. I needed a black pepper grinder thing. And this Hellmann's light mayo, 99 pence. Got 2 of those. This peri peri sauce looks nice. And this roasted tomato and chili mayo looks delightful as well. This hot chocolate barbecue set thing, it looked really good and it was only 49 pence, but the marshmallows had like pork gelatine in, so I couldn't buy it unfortunately. This Indian snack selection, $3.99 for that massive box, and I can confirm that they were delicious. We had some today actually for lunch. This ice cream is really delicious. I also bought that last week, so bought it again, $1.99 for a pack of 3 of those. They've got a nice selection of halal meat bits like chicken shawarma, doner, and I like to get these pasties. I didn't pick them up this time, but they are nice. I saw some more of the Poppets, so I picked up another box. And then I saw this French crepe mix, which was only 49 pence. Picked that up. These pizzas, we get them all the time. This Philly cheesesteak one is nice, and we get the pepperoni one, the halal, which is great. Viennetta ice cream, if you're a fan, 99 pence. Then I saw these orangey Poppets. I was like, oh my god, I need to grab a few of those. So I got some of those as well. I love this kitchen roll, only 99 pence for a 2-pack. Also love this bag of apples for £1, a quid, my friends. And then some bottles of fizzy. These are the ones we normally tend to get. The kids would like this jelly fruit thing. And then it was time to pay. Then Akil met me after dropping my older daughter off at school. We went into Asda, saw the pumpkins, you know, as you do. Grabbed my sandwich. And just some more essentials like toothpaste, mouthwash. By the way, this shop was a little bit more than normal because it's half term this week, which means the kids are home from school for a week, which means they're going to eat a lot. So we had to do a bit of extra shopping. This chocolate spread looks really nice and I can't wait to try it. And then once we were done in Asda, we headed to the car and headed home. And in Farm Foods spent £88, but it actually came to 81 because I used vouchers that you can get online if you sign up to their newsletter. And Asda, was it 100 and something? And yeah, I'm just putting all the shopping away. Also, Akil, he usually gets the meat from Worldwide along the way before he meets me at Asda. Yeah, so it was a lot of shopping, but it'll be gone by the middle of next week. That's all the meat that Akil picked up for the week. And he spent £38 there. And here's my stack of poppets. These are going to be really useful actually for the half term, aren't they? You're impressed, aren't you? You want to buy some too? Go and buy some. I'll feel like, wow, I made a difference. A really positive difference to your life. 39p for a box of those. You can make 8 pancakes and it's got like sprinkles and flavouring. Delicious. So I was just air frying my sandwich for lunch. Yeah, it was around 11:30 by this time. And yeah, it was lovely and grilled, air fried. I made a tea in my Hello Autumn mug. And took a couple of vitamins. And that was my lunch, brunch. And there's my mug. And then after lunch, I sorted out some meat. So cut up the chicken breast into chunks and then I marinated it. And then I marinated it with just tandoori masala, some onion granules, garlic, a bit of red chili powder. I've put the recipe up many times. So just search for chicken tikka masala on my channel somewhere if you want like a proper recipe, but it's really easy. Just mix all the ingredients up, got some yogurt in there as well. And then I added in the chicken. So that was what I was going to make for dinner on that night. So I just left it on the side, covered it. It was raining a lot and very dull, but it's fine. On days like this, when I'm just doing home things and like housewife duties, I don't mind what the weather's like outside. If it's really beautiful and sunny, then you want to be out, don't you? But if it's dull, then you're like, it's fine. I'll just cook me dinner. I've got a load of chicken wings. I'm just marinating in the most random marinade. It was actually really tasty though, mashallah. So I did try and show you what I'm adding to the marinade. And I put that in the fridge and we had it the day after our grocery shop day. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Jazakallah khair. Take care. Salam. Bye.